What are the key elements of effective visual communication? If you're curious about how to make your messages more impactful and engaging through visuals, you're in the right place. Let's break down the key elements that make visual communication effective. First, let's talk about the basic elements of visual communication. These include color, line, shape, form, space, and texture. Each of these elements plays a unique role in creating a visual message. Color, for instance, is incredibly powerful. It can set the tone of your message and influence how viewers interpret it. Different colors evoke different emotions. Warm colors like red and orange can create excitement and energy, while cool colors like blue and green can make people feel calm and tranquil. Lines are another essential element. They can create movement, energy, or even a sense of calmness and stability. Lines can also be used to create shapes and forms, which add interest and depth to your composition. Shapes and forms are important too. They help create balance and add visual appeal to your design. Space, or the way elements are arranged, determines how the viewer perceives the overall composition. It helps guide the viewer's eye through the design. Texture adds another layer of interest. It can make an image more visually appealing by adding dimension. For example, a rough texture can make an image feel more tactile, while a smooth texture can make it feel sleek. Now, let's move on to the principles of visual communication. These principles help you arrange these elements in a way that makes your message clear and engaging. One of the key principles is balance. This ensures that no part of the design overpowers another, creating harmony in the composition. Another principle is hierarchy, which organizes information by importance, guiding viewers to focus on the key elements first. Contrast is also vital. It helps important elements stand out by using different colors, sizes, or textures. Alignment provides structure and guides the viewer's eye through the content in a logical way. Proximity groups related elements together, making the design easier to understand. Repetition is another principle that creates consistency and reinforces key messages. For example, using the same colors or shapes throughout a design can create a sense of unity. In addition to these principles, the type of visual you choose is important. Photographs can capture attention and evoke emotions, especially when they are authentic. Illustrations offer more flexibility and can convey messages in a unique way. Infographics are great for presenting complex information clearly and concisely. Videos can explain processes, tell stories, and add a human touch to your message. Presentations help structure information and guide your audience through your message. Symbols and signs are simple yet effective. They can quickly convey a specific message or direction. For instance, traffic signs use universally understood symbols to guide people. When designing your visuals, keep it simple and avoid clutter. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your message. Tailor your visuals to your audience's age, background knowledge, and cultural references. Maintain brand consistency by using visuals that align with your brand's colors, fonts, and overall aesthetic. Finally, make sure your visuals are accessible. Use alt text for images and consider color contrast to ensure everyone can see and understand your message clearly. By understanding and applying these elements and principles, you can create effective visual communication that captures attention, conveys messages clearly, and leaves a lasting impression on your audience.